Exercise 7.2. In that third main, factorize question number 1, x square plus 14x plus 49. Before going to solve this question, you should know the identities we were studied in the previous classes. The two identities a plus b the whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the first one identity, and one more, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. To solve all these factors, we need these two identities. Okay. Now here question is given x square plus 14x plus 49. All are positive. So positive means in this you see, in the first identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means the given question, it is in this form, a square plus 2ab plus b square. How it is in this form? So let us see. Now here x square you should write as it is. First term you should write as it is. Then last term 49 can be written as 49. You know that is a perfect square number. 7 7s are 49. So last term we should write 7 square. Okay. 7 square, that is equal to 49. Now first term x square we got here, x square as it is. In this identity a square is there. A square, here x square first term. Then last term you see b square, here 7 square. 7 square is 49. Now we got first and last term according to this identity a square, b square. Now middle term here in this identity 2ab is there. Now how to split this second term? How to split this second term? Now according to this identity here 2 is there. So first you should write 2 plus sign, then 2. A, here a square, that means in our question x square is there. That means your first term, what is here? X into 2ab. Already we wrote a. According to this identity here a square means a. Here x square we wrote x. Then b place what we should write? B square here 7 square. That means b, that is 7. Here plus b square, here b square 7 square is there, so here b square. That means b value is 7. B value is 7. So you should take 7. If you multiply 2 7s are, here is 14 into x, 14x. So here first term you should write, then you should make it second term. According to this identity, you have to see what is the a value, then what is the b value, then you have to split middle term. You have to split middle term in the form 2ab. In the form 2ab. Now this is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here we got in this form a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now this opposite what is here? A plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square. Then this is equal to, now what is a means what we should take here? X. Plus b means what we should take here? 7. X plus 7 whole square. Okay. Now ax plus 7 whole square. Now this one will become in this form, a plus b the whole square. If you expand by taking only this part, if you expand by using a plus b the whole square formula, you will get same result, right? Second question, 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Here plus plus, okay, that means we have to use which formula among these two? First one. Here also plus, here also plus. So we have to make this question in this form, a square plus 2ab plus b square form. Now what we should do? 4x square can be written as 2x whole square. 2x whole square. 2 square is 4. X square, here also x square. Okay. Now 4x square can be written as 2x whole square. That means this part, only this part, it become a value. If you want, you can write down in rough column. So here a is equal to 2x. A is equal to 2x. Okay. That means this part fully become a square. This part it become a square. Now after finding this, no need to go to direct second term. We should jump to third term, last term. Okay. Why we should go to last term? Because we should know a and b value, then only we can split this second term in the form 2ab. Okay. Now 1 can be written as 1 square. 1 square, that is equal to 1 only. Now 1 square means here that is equal to b square. 1 square, last term, what is the last term here? B square. Here last term 1 square. Okay. 2 here same. That means what is the value of b here? 1. B value is 1. So better you can write b is equal to 1. Now this part it become a square and this part it become b square. Okay, by finding this we got a and b value. Now we can find easily middle term. Okay, now in this formula what is there? 2ab is there. 2 you should write as it is first here into a. What is the a value? 2x. Into b. What is the b value? 1. 1. If you multiply, you will get same result. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1, 4. This x. Now we got this one in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a square 2a, so 2x whole square is nothing but a square. 2x whole square is nothing but a square. So this one it become a square, then this 2 as it is, this is a value, this one is b value. That means 2ab plus 1 square. Okay, that is b square. Now this is equal to, now totally it become in which form? A square plus 2ab plus b square form we got. Then what is the opposite answer here? A plus b the whole square. That is equal to how? What is that? A plus b the whole square. That means here what we should write? A is equal to 2x plus b is equal to 1 whole square. Okay, so answer is 2x plus 1 whole square.